This video shows the dangers faced by the Border Patrol and the Texas DPS with aliens when they cross the border illegally. This video is exclusive footage taken from the Border Patrol body cams.
Hey, let me see your fucking hands! Put your fucking hands up, I'll shoot you! Put your fucking hands up! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Let me see your hands!
13th, 2025, at approximately 10:22 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Fort Brown Border Patrol agents received a request for assistance from the Texas Department of Public Safety regarding shots fired at the intersection of East 23rd Street and Hortensia Street in Brownsville, Texas. A Texas DPS trooper attempted to stop a Ford Explorer near Southmost Road and 22nd Street, but the driver of the vehicle fled. While fleeing, the driver fired at the Texas DPS trooper's vehicle and then crashed into another vehicle. The driver abandoned the vehicle and fled on foot.
What do you say about 20?
He took off on foot.
He took off on foot?
They made contact in the alleyway.
Okay. Hey, let me see your fucking hands! Put your fucking hands up, I'll shoot you! Put your fucking hands up! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Let me see your hands! Drop the gun! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! Crawl! Crawl! Stand back! Stand back! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! His gun is on the other side! Crossfire! Get the gun, he's right behind him! He's been shot. I need to get him. Hey!
Medic, give me a minute.
Hey, he's been shot. I got. Hey!
Hey, put him down.
Hey, put him down here! Fuck. Hey, dude, I took.
You took shots.
I took shots. All right.
You okay?
All right, I'm good. I'm good. I got my suit. I got him right.
Okay. You're good. Hey, you stay with us.
All right.
We'll maintain it, okay?
Hey.
Stand by.
Hello?
We have a ranger here.
Dude.
Have no wire.
No, so, shots fired, so. I shot the guy, so he's hit.
Hey, bro.
Yeah, I'm good.
I was right behind you, bro.
Okay, yeah. So, I'm good. All right, anyways, we'll be here. So, at my location, that's where I'm at. Yeah, we shot him. And he's still alive. I did, me, and two other.
Okay.
Yeah, me and two other, and the DPS. Just to let you know. Yeah. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah. All right, cool. All right, bye. Hey, he jumped the fence from over there. This way.
Yes, we're good. Hey.
Oh, he empty. We need to take his handcuffs off. We need to put an occlusive on him. Yeah, he's fine. I think he went through.
Here on the arm, and then on his.
Yeah, he went right through. All right, turn him over, brother. Turn over, put him in the recovery position. I know, brother. All right, come here. That's good. I know, brother. Just stand by.
Yeah.
Just, nah. Just understand me. Hey, it's
I
okay.
respect soldiers here.
Bro, we told you to drop the gun, brother.
I want to be a soldier, but
All right.
don't give me a chance to be a
All right,
soldier.
that's fine. No. Don't just relax.
I'm sorry. You're good.
Yeah, you're good.
I'm sorry, sir. But I just want to let you know, like,
Yeah, I guess for now. I mean, it's in the hip. We're good. We don't want to pack, but yeah, go ahead and put it.
Fuck it. No, like we're in the thoracic box.
Yeah,
Put a seal
we're
on
good.
it.
Let's put a seal.
Just in case.
I know, brother.
We can't pack this. We can't.
No, we're gonna pack it. I was gonna cover it. Thank you. That's it. Only pack the chest cavity. I mean, not the chest cavity.
Nope. Yeah. So
Good.
seal it.
Put it right in the center. Yeah, I'll wipe for that. All right, brother.
Yep. Let's go ahead and get this one.
I got another one.
Breathe.
I got one more. Yeah.
Single GSW. Lower left quadrant.
Stand by, brother.
You're good. Fight through it.
Hey, take him down. Make sure he's not shot anywhere else. Yeah, it went through.
Right, we're way this way, buddy.
yes, sir.
It's all right. It's all right.
Like extend his foot.
Get his fucking shirt off.
Sir.
Yeah, we're all right.
Sir. Y'all check down here. Sir.
No, not yet. Take him out and cover him.
No.
There's no. Yeah, all right, brother.
Squeeze it out.
That's all right. He's breathing, so we're good. Yeah.
Yep.
Nothing.
What else? You need any more patches?
Nah, we're good. It's just single through.
Lower left quadrant is sealed. Secondary blood sweeps, and then he needs to go.
He's good, brother. All right, well, stand by. How far's the ambulance?
Okay, sir.
All right, bro. You'll be good. What's your name?
Sir.
Okay. Yeah, right there. Grab one. He's not gonna on the arm. Just wrap it.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me cut it. Wrap it. So yeah, just breathe normal, all right? Breathe normal, dude.
I want to be a soldier, sir.
Yeah, just use
It's all right, brother. Just wrap it. We're good.
It doesn't stretch, so if he starts to swell, just use a pressure dressing it.
Hey, hey, let him know. Hey, where he jumped. I don't know if there's another guy back there. So I saw him run.
They're going inside right now. They're checking it
But he jumped from across the alley this way. So I don't know if there's more on that side.
You have one.
You have another one over here, boss? That's right there. Okay. You're gonna go. The ambulance coming right now.
That's it, yes, sir.
I know. We're gonna try to get you out there, bro.
Sir, I don't want to be a bad person, sir, but I know.
Bro. I know.
I know, sir.
It's all good. It's all good, brother. You have any other pains?
Sir.
You know what day today is? What day is today?
Hey, you're pulse off? I mean, yeah, I got you. He's alert. He's verbal. He's
Yeah, he's alert. Hey, brother, have you taken any drugs today? Are you sure? Nothing.
Nothing.
No marijuana, no opiate, no nothing. No uppers, nothing. Okay. All right.
drank?
No, sir.
Nothing. All right.
I go die, sir.
All right, he's good.
I go die.
No, brother. Your pulse is really good, brother. It's strong. Your pulse is strong. You're good. Yeah, this one's good right here, brother.
98. 98 is got like 5 minutes to wait. Do we want to?
Yeah, we can do the whole thing. What do you say about 28 took off on foot? He's coming towards us, he said.
Medical care continued until the arrival of the Brownsville Fire Department Emergency Medical Services personnel, who provided additional medical care and subsequently transported him to the Valley Baptist Hospital in Brownsville, Texas, where he was admitted for advanced medical care. Local law enforcement partners established hospital watch on the driver. The BPAs involved in this incident did not sustain or report any injuries. The United States Customs and Border Protection Office of Professional Responsibility, the Texas Department of Public Safety, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, the Brownsville Police Department, and the Department of Homeland Security Office of Inspector General responded to the scene. The incident is currently under investigation by Texas DPS. CBP's National Use of Force Review Board will review the incident at the conclusion of the investigation.